Hello everyone. The hype has been created around the world. Everybody is talking about NFTs. Why they have suddenly captured the world's attention and why NFTs are taking the internet by storm. It looks like NFTs have been exploded out of the internet. Well, in this video, we are gonna see what is behind this latest craze. Let's get started. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible means that it is unique and cannot be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. You can trade one for another and you will have exactly the same value. One of a kind picture is non-fungible. This is not interchangeable with other items because it has unique values. For example, Mona Lisa picture. What is a token? It's a certificate of authenticity to prove the ownership of assets. You can say it's a digital contract between two people. In the simplest terms, NFTs transform digital work of art into one of a kind, verifiable assets that are easy to trade. More specifically, NFTs are digital assets that represent real world objects like art, music, videos, in game items, gifts, tweets, cards, images, and so on. They are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and they are encoded with the same technology as cryptocurrency. Now, here is a question: why NFTs are getting so much popularity nowadays? Because the reason is simple. People are becoming millionaires over the night. Here are some examples. An animated GIF of Nyan Cat sold for more than $600,000. Can you believe that? Musician Grimes sold some of her digital artwork for more than $6 million. Unbelievable. Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter, sold his first tweet for 2.9 million. Can you imagine that? Beeple, who is a digital artist, sold his work for $69 million, set a new record for digital art. A video clip of a LeBron James slam dunk sold for over $200,000 on NBA Top Shot. These are some examples. Because of them, more and more people are getting into it. Even celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Lindsay Lohan are jumping on the NFT bandwagon, releasing unique memories, artwork, and moments. Now you must be thinking, when anyone can view the image or even the entire gallery of images online for free, so why are people willing to pay millions on something that could be easily screenshot or downloaded? Because NFT allows the owner to own the original item. Not only that, it contains built-in authentication, which serves as proof of ownership. Another reason is some crazy folks with more money are buying such stuff. Many of the wealthiest NFT buyers are crypto millionaires who invested early in bitcoins and now they are walking into NFTs. Alright, let's break it down into further details. NFTs use blockchain technology to certify the authenticity of a specific and unique digital asset. Blockchain is a bunch of computers that keep running all day and night to maintain the record of every transaction. Blockchain technology and NFTs provide a special opportunity to artists and content creators to monetize their work. NFTs remove the middlemen like banks, simplify transactions, and create new markets that directly connects artists with audiences. For example, artists no longer have to depend on galleries to sell their art. Instead, they can sell it directly to the consumer as an NFT, which also lets them keep more of the income. Moreover, artists can get into a royalty scheme where they will receive a portion of sales whenever their art is sold to a new owner. This is an outstanding feature as artists normally do not receive future earnings after their art is first sold, NFTs are giving more power to content creators than ever before. Just like Bitcoins, NFTs also contain ownership details for easy identification and transfer between token holders. Owners can also add attributes about the digital asset in NFTs. For example, artists can sign their digital artwork with their own signature in the attributes that make it impossible to be exchanged for are equal to one another. For instance, one NBA top shot is not equal to Beeple's artwork simply because they are both NFTs. Every NFT must have an owner and it can only have one owner at a time. NFTs are public record that are trackable by using Ethereum's blockchain and they are verifiable, which means that historical data stored on the blockchain authenticates an NFT's original creator and owner. So if NFTs are copied or forged, the owner still has the original version that can be verified. Ownership of NFTs are managed through unique ID and attributes that no other token can replicate. NFTs are created through smart contracts that assign ownership and manage the transferability of the NFTs. Now the important part is how you can buy and sell NFTs. NFTs can be bought and sold on any Ethereum-based NFT market. Most NFTs are built on Ethereum blockchain, which means they are purchased using Ether, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies alongside Bitcoin. Ether can be bought through a crypto platform such as Coinbase. Then a digital wallet must be set up to store cryptocurrency. Most commonly used wallet is MetaMask, which can be downloaded on your smartphone or computer. This wallet must be linked to an NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea, SuperRare or Foundation. Once you have crypto in your wallet, you can start buying and selling NFTs. Keep in mind, a gas fee will be charged, which is the energy required to complete the transaction on the blockchain. Other charges can include costs for converting dollars into Ether. Now you must be worrying about how to decide which NFT to buy, right? Most of the big NFT marketplaces host their community discussions on Discord. It's a chat application that can be a good way to discover new NFTs. Alright, you must have a question in your mind about how to create NFTs, right? Well, anyone can create NFT. Simply take pictures or videos with your mobile and convert them into a GIF, video clip or digital art, whatever you like. Then upload your content to one of those marketplaces which turn them into NFTs. That's it. NFTs are ready to go online for sale. In conclusion, NFT is a digital certificate of ownership on the blockchain. There is a risk associated with NFTs and I believe it's necessary to mention. That is, all those NFTs sold for millions belong to famous people. But if you are creative, you might get a stroke of luck over the night. So good luck. Alright, so this was my analysis on NFTs. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.